Hi, my name is David, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with t-shirts. Everything you need to start personalizing t-shirts and make money with this easy and approachable business model is a white toner laser printer, white toner cartridge and a heat press, and of course some of our fantastic transfer material. I'm going to walk you step by step through the profit you make on each t-shirt, either using an 8.5 by 7 or 11 by 17 design, or for you on the metric system A4 and A3. Textile personalization or any business where you personalize items is a great way to make money because you stand out from the crowd by your unique designs. I have a few t-shirts here which can be easily produced on demand using one of our Ghost White Toner cartridges in your printer, our transfer media, or our little Ghost White Toner printer bundle. So let's start. A4. The costs in this video are all in US dollars. Of course, it's also available in euro. We have a German video for that, but you will follow up. Prices may vary due to currency differences, but this gives you a very good and accurate idea of your actual costs on every individual item. So let's start with A4. We have the A foil and B paper. That combo is $2.99, and we should add about 50 cents for the printing cost. On top of that comes the t-shirts. T-shirts start simple black cotton t-shirts at roughly $2. So that totals in a total entry cost for a t-shirt produced of $5.49 per t-shirt using an A4 transfer sheet. For A3, the breakdown looks like this. We've got the A and B transfer sheet combo at $4.59. Adding the printing cost of $0.50, and again the t-shirt for $2. That breaks down in a total cost t-shirt produced of $7.09. So let's have a look on a platform where multiple nicely designed t-shirts are sold, similar to this design or that design, and let's have a look on Etsy how t-shirts with designs like that sell. You can see that these shirts sell for roughly 25 to 35 US dollars. So we can break down the profit you will make on an A4, which is roughly, if you sell at the low end price, which is roughly 19 US dollars, and goes all the way up to 29 US dollars selling at the high edge price. You can do that by having very unique designs, by having a good communication of your Etsy shop. And for the A3, that looks like this. We've got the profit of 17 on the low end, and we've got a profit of 27 on the high end. So for you, this means if you are buying a little Ghost White Toner combo, which includes the printer, all the color toner cartridges, and our fantastic white toner cartridge, you will have paid off this system after selling just 45 t-shirts. If you are selling on the low end. If you are selling on the high end profit margin, you will have this system paid off even quicker. I hope that this rough calculation gave you a good idea of how to make sustainable profit margins on printed textiles, which you can print on demand using Ghost White Toner and our transfer system. It's really easy. You don't have to stock t-shirts. You can just print on demand in the size your customer orders. If you like that, please leave us a thumbs up for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get notifications when we put out new videos. If you want to start making profits by selling t-shirts online, head over to our website, which is also in the description, and get everything that you need for producing high-end transfers. We offer entry-level solutions, white toner cartridges for your printers, heat presses, a whole bunch of fantastic and easy-to-use transfer material, as well as high-end white toner printers for professional use if you are already producing a lot of t-shirts. For today I say thanks for watching and see you next time.